Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best small AC window units on the market, the GE 5000 BTU window air conditioner. If you're in the market for an efficient cooling solution for small spaces, you've come to the right place. Let's start with why this AC unit stands out among the competition. Designed for rooms up to 150 square feet, this unit packs a punch with its 5000 BTU cooling capacity. Whether it's a small bedroom, studio apartment, or home office, this AC promises to keep you cool and comfortable. Now, let's talk about what makes this unit a standout choice. It comes equipped with mechanical controls, offering simplicity and reliability. You get 2 cooling modes and 2 fan speeds, allowing for customizable comfort. Plus, it operates quietly, making it ideal for nighttime use without disturbing your sleep. Installing the GE 5000 BTU window air conditioner is a breeze, thanks to the included EZ mount installation kit. It's designed to fit double-hung windows, with dimensions ranging from 21.875 to 36 inches in width and 13.375 inches in height. No need to worry about complicated setups. In terms of performance, this unit offers a seasonal energy efficiency ratio of 2.6, ensuring energy-efficient operation. It's not only effective in cooling but also cost-effective to run, which is a win-win for any budget-conscious consumer. Maintaining the GE 5000 BTU window air conditioner is also straightforward. It features a washable filter that can be easily removed for cleaning, ensuring optimal performance. Remember to clean the filter every 30 days to keep your unit running smoothly. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable, compact window AC unit that delivers on cooling performance without breaking the bank, the GE 5000 BTU window air conditioner deserves serious consideration. It's tailored for small spaces and offers the right balance of features to keep you comfortable year-round. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.